Please, can you tell me the difference between the past and the present perfect, please? Also, I answered the question. Can you check my answer, please? This is a message that I got from one of my students, but something attracted my attention here. How many please did he use in this message? 3 times. 3 times in one message, and it's too much. I know please is meant to show respect and politeness, but using it more than 2 times in one message or email or any kind of formal writing, it's actually overuse and annoying as well. That's why I decided to share with you guys some other ways to show respect without overusing the word please. In the beginning here, he says, please, can you tell me the difference between blah, blah, blah? Here, I could remove this part and say, if you don't mind, I'd love to, then you complete whatever you want. Like, I'd like to know the difference between the past and the present perfect. And as for the second please here, you can leave it or remove it. You already started your message in a respectful way, so as you want, you can leave it or remove it. As for the last part of the message, also I answered the question, can you check my answer, please? Here you can remove please and say, when you get a chance. Can you check my answer when you get a chance? This is another polite way. And be careful, I'm not asking you to stop using please. All I'm saying is not repeating it. So again, how to say please without saying please. Perfect title, love it. Here are 4 professional ways to say please. 1, when you get a chance, could you teach me this? 2, if you don't mind, I'd love to learn this. 3, I'd appreciate it if you help me with that. 4, if you could help me, it would be great. Now I want every one of you to go down in the comments and ask me about something using one of these structures. Here we go. Guys, these sentences have mistakes. Let's find them. Number 1, I hurt a finger of my right foot. Look guys, this is your foot, right? These are not fingers. These are toes. Toes. The fingers are only in your hand. This is your hand, and these are fingers. Now read the question again. I hurt a finger of my right foot. Here's the foot, and it has toes, not fingers, so it's wrong. We should use toe here. I hurt a toe of my right foot. Last night, we played a very nice play. Guys, please do not use play when you mean a game. So we play a game. We do not play a play. I found all the windows opened. Wrong. No ed here. It should be open, because open could be an adjective. I found all the windows open. Give yourself a mark on each one and write your mark in the comments. Correct the mistakes. I don't have no money. What's wrong with this sentence, guys? Well, there's don't, and there's no. Don't is negative. No is also negative. So we have double negative in this sentence, which is wrong. How can I solve this problem? Well, we have to remove one negative. Like we can remove don't, and the sentence would be, I have no money, with no, only one negative. Or we can remove no, I don't have money, or I don't have any money, with don't, only one negative. So the point is, do not put 2 negative makers in one sentence. Clear? Number 2, I have a lot of money. What's wrong? Well, a lot is not one word. It's actually 2 words. The article a and lot. There should be a space between them. Number 3, whose money is this? Where's the mistake? Good job. The mistake is in this word, whose, which means who as. And it's wrong. The correct question word here is whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose money is this? Have you learned something new today? Let me know in the comments. The news are correct. I heard a good news. Each sentence here has something wrong, and we need to correct the mistakes. The key to the answer here is the word news. Some people think that this word news, because it ends in S, so it is plural, and they use R with it. And that's wrong. News, guys, is an uncountable noun. And it is always singular. And singular nouns don't take R, they take is. Okay? So the mistake here is R. We need to use is here. Here also we have news, and news is uncountable, and we never use a or an with uncountable nouns. So the mistake here in this sentence is just in this word, a or a. We just say, I heard good news. That's it. Thank you for watching.